Hey everybody, this is Matthew Grandstaff of Grand's Outdoors coming to you today out here on the lake. Just wanted to give you all a little prequel of what's the video that's coming up. Some of you might know we've had a father-son fishing trip since I was probably 17 or 18. Dad and I and Bubba's have went fishing at a different lake, and whoever wins the tournament gets to pick the lake that we go to and gets to pick the, what's scoreable, how we do the tournament. Y'all stay tuned, and hope y'all enjoy the video. Thanks.
They just smacking at it, ain't they? You're gonna make me get mine out, ain't
You ain't. Oh, 12 ounces.
Not quite.
Y'all gonna be in trouble if they start hitting the jerkbait though.
This one don't count, huh? Yeah, it was a fish, huh? I think it's a little shad. Got one? Bring, baby, bring. Bring, baby, bring. He'll make it. He'll wait. He'll wait.
I gotta fix my drag. Boy, I barely had him hooked.
You got him from in there, dude.
Right on the edge of the dock.
I hope he waits for you.
One pound. yet. Oh, there he is. Get the net now. Gotta hook it. Yeah, get that big net now. Yeah, coming on my side, on your side. No. No. Come on, fat now. I'm gonna weigh it, he's fat. Like I told him.
It's an net.
Yeah. That's a real good one. I barely got into it. I'm not gonna be that upset about it.
Ain't gonna get off.
Good deal, man.
But yeah, she had some disease.
Yeah.
From rats.
Really? It's over here. I was just talking.
She had died.
Oh yeah, he ate it too.
Oh, this is your pole I'm picking up.
Yeah, that's fine.
She had died. No, it means the one you got in the hook right there.
Oh man, I died.
Here's your pen. Got one.
He won't ever do it, dude.
Yeah, he's gonna be a pound.
Alright, let me get you.
Oh.
Sorry.
There he is. That?
Yeah. Looks like a crappie. Okay, boy. Just crappie.
You know how these things get hung up. That one might, it's gonna be close to a pound.
Got him. Good one.
Oh, that's a real good one, Jared. Take your time. He's pulling the boat, dude. Which side you want?
Oh, that's a real good.
Yeah, baby.
Good job, bud.
Yeah.
Yes! Oh, that was awesome. Bama rig, baby. My bad. This is 4 pounds. Here, this scale's still on. How do you clear? Okay.
Let me put this one up.
I need to call Daddy.
I'm gonna call him, tell him to start
Yeah.
throwing an Alabama rig.
Mine was what, 311?
3-2.
Oh yeah, go ahead and put mine in real quick. Yours ain't much bigger, Bubba.
3-5.
You want me to throw it back?
Yeah. Sorry, we missed that one on camera.
Matthew got it. Got him.
Good one? Oh yeah, good one, Jared.
Off that tree.
Take your time. I've only got that back good.
Another keeper.
Good one, dude.
Stuff up where you can put on your lure and it's supposed to enhance. There you go. weigh him?
He won't weigh a pound. But I am gonna show him to the camera.
I'm gonna hit the button, hold it for like 5 seconds.
There he is. You gonna get the net?
Yeah, I gotta get my thing in.
Pretty good. Right out my damn over.
That's up a keeper.
The scales make you put a box somewhere. I usually leave them sitting on the bag.
They're in that same area.
Well, I'm gonna have to have them flyers out there too.
Where are they at?
They're in that one of them in the top big box in that in the center thing. In the center console, the top big box.
Yeah. I'm sorry. Stomach hurting. Oh shit.
I was looking in the rod there. They're on my way to move them for.
Oh my god, oh shit. I don't want to use that. Got it.
Well, that's gonna be close, ain't it?
God. Good one. Need a net.
He's gonna wait. You know?
He's gonna be male.
Got one.
Do you really? Looks like a good one. You're on.
No, it's a bass. I saw it.
Oh man.
You okay? You okay?
Oh man. Man.
Out in the middle of
See,
nowhere.
I told you they're obviously in here. They just fish all. They'll fish all over. There he is.
You want the net?
Yeah, man.
I did too. You don't know what they're good. That's the only thing I don't like that sucks.
There he is. Going late. That's a big one, Jerry. Oh, I got him foul hook. I don't think that one will do it either. Just going back. God, got him! Oh my God, that's a big one. Take your time. Take your time, Jerry. You gotta get him. Step back a little bit. Oh, Jerry. Oh, take your time. That's a 10-pounder, Jared.
Oh, it's a drum.
Oh man.
There you go.
Good job.
Quick release.
Yeah.
Oh, here he is, Jared. There's a good one. There's a real good one, Jared. That's a barely got good one. Okay, well, let's stay here. He's a football, son.
Too, man.
Oh, yeah, he's a pound every day.
That hit finally on something the size of a shad rat. It's gonna have to hit it.
Yeah.
There he is.
Good one?
Yeah. Get the trolling motor.
Okay. Oh, shit.
Spin us around, Jerry. Boom! Well, that's it today. Out here, caught a few fish. Jared, I think, is in the lead for the trip. Maybe Dad, we'll figure that out in a little bit. But super, super windy, but at least we caught some fish today.
Got him?
Got it. That's a good one.
Little.
Oh no, I don't know if it is. Oh wow.
Need the net?
I don't know. No, he's a keeper probably. I think I can get him.
He might be a pound.
He hit twice.
There he is.
There you go, Dad. You got your 6 inch. He's pretty though, ain't he?
He's a bass, ain't he?
Pretty.
That's a little Kentucky. Of course, I got him hooked every way but the way he wouldn't hook.
Keeper. Oh wow, that's a good one. That's a 2.5 pounder. Oh, good one. Get him in the net, Daddy.
I'm trying to. The plug's got.
Oh, got it. Oh, completely knocked my plug. Alright, now I got a keeper. Okay, man, that's a good one.
Yeah, this one right here, this far I screwed it up.
Alright, well, hey, babe, I gotta go. I do. Yes. Yes.
See, on that.
Look at it. Yeah. Well, there's wood. There's all kinds of stumps in there, man. Got one.
There's me netting.
I got it. Ha ha! Do you have any of these? I got more.
I got to look and see.
Got a good one. Yes. Oh, sorry, I hit your horse. All right. Y'all know, man. Oh, good, Justin. Take it easy. Take your time. It's gonna be close. That's a keeper. Is it under me? Yeah. There he is, Justin. That might be a pound. That might be close. He's pretty fine. There he is, Justin. That's a big one. That's a real big one. Oh, get it. So you found it. Oh, I got hit, but man, there he is. I don't know if we're not fast. It's a pound. That might keep my. There you go, 5 today. There he is.
Go from my big pole to that little pole. Big poles too.
Dad, I mean, something that down to 15 at all.
Dude, that.
Got one.
Oh, it's small.
There he is.
A better one anyways.
Well, hand me your fire right. I done dropped mine and it was like, that's a 2-pounder.
Yeah, that's a better
Maybe
fish.
2.5. We don't need to put that. That's a good.
I'm not slacking it, dude.
Yeah, they're right now. Okay.
I got a big one. I got a big one.
Oh God, I hit my ankle.
Pull and drag. Oh. I just barely got it hooked too. Barely hooked.
About 7. On my weight on my.
Barely had him hooked. We did try.
That's at least a pound.
Well, that's the end of day number 3. Jared is in the lead. I believe I am in second, followed by Dad and then Justin. I had a couple get off today, but nothing crazy, no great big ones to get off. But hopefully tomorrow, as usual, our last day is the best day. So we'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching.